Are you well connected? Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapet, pandasal muna tayo. Nung minsan, nasa lobby ako ng isang hotel abroad nang may tumawag ng pangalan ko. It was a Filipino celebrity I interviewed years ago. We greeted each other warmly at nagchika-chika kami. Nung naghiwalay kami, she left me with a nice feeling. Honestly, na-flatter ako that someone like her, who was so well-connected and was high up there in the social and economic ladder, remembered me and made me feel like an old friend. Kinabukasan, naglalakad kami sa kalye nung may tumawag ulit ng pangalan ko. Yung asawa naman niya na isang maimpluwensyang executive. Again, my thought balloon was, wow, sikat tong taong to, but he knows me. Nakakakilig, di ba? Pagkilala ka ng mga sikat, whether they're big in showbiz, society, or even in the church hierarchy. When important people know me or remember me, it makes me feel important. Kaya yung awiting Friend of God, naluluha ako dati pag kinakanta ko yun sa prayer meeting, even if it's a fast and happy song. Kasi sabi nung kanta na yun, I am a friend of God. He calls me friend. Imagine mo, the creator of the universe, the one who owns the earth's silver and gold, yung nagbigay ng hininga at buhay sa ating lahat, the one who rules over all, that God calls me His friend. Kung di ka naman feeling important nun, di ba? Kapatid, you are also a friend of God. Importante ka sa Kanya, VIP ka sa Kanyang paningin. Namnamin natin ang pagiging kaibigan ng Diyos. Tayo magdasal. Jesus, you said, no longer do I call you servants, but I have called you friends. Thank you for this gift of your friendship. Amen.